Alright, now it's raining now. It would have been nice to see some lightning, but obviously there isn't. It's raining pretty heavily now. Well, it's very windy outside, but that's what it developed so far, and it's at the moment sprinkling. There's a lot of the rain on that side, the regular rain. It's all on that side. It's really scattered today, so a lot of scattered showers and some thunderstorms. But yeah, disappointing there's no lightning, but yeah. Well, I did hear a bit of some thunder today, but it was very weak. Well, looks like it. There was no lightning. It was just full-on rain, and but it was a very interesting weather day, so that's why I wanted to just film that. Even though there's no lightning or no action, it was interesting and it was good to see. Now it's all going to this side now, so that means the storm and the shower of weather is over. So I do apologise for that. It might not be very interesting, but it was actually pretty interesting to me. It was very interesting to me. And yeah, it was just, I don't know, it was just full-on rain. It wasn't really any lightning or anything. It was just rain with some storm clouds that just develops. But anyway, please make sure to subscribe and like. And make sure if you have any queries, just comment. And I'll be able to, you know, get back to you on anything. But yeah, hopefully there'll be more storms next month, because April is coming very soon. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and have a good afternoon.